Xcelerate Software is a comprehensive job management and CRM solution designed by and specifically for restoration contractors. Let's dive in and see how your restoration business can quickly and easily manage a typical job using this powerful industry platform. You've just been contacted about a new loss. Time is of the essence. Getting the job started quickly and field crews on their way is your top priority. It's easy to create new jobs in Xcelerate. By capturing key job information such as the primary contact info, job and billing address, loss information, and more, your office and field teams have all of their relevant details they need at their fingertips to efficiently manage the job from start to finish. Let's start with a master job record, the umbrella in which all of your files reside. Think of a master job as the entire loss or claim, and the files that we will create later as the divisions of work that need to be completed to get the property to pre-loss condition. Creating individual job files allows you to specify the divisions who will be handling the work and managing the services you're offering. You can even assign your employee roles and compile ongoing job documentation. So, how does this benefit you? Having all of your job records organized in this manner increases productivity, keeps your records organized, centralized, and streamlines your team's activities through workflow automation. The Xcelerate tasks are a driving engine behind not only automating and streamlining your team's day-to-day workflow, they also streamline their process, move your jobs forward, and track KPIs. These also help train any new team members so they know exactly what is expected and when. At Xcelerate, we know it's not a one-size-fits-all situation, so we make it easy to customize these tasks, not only to your business, but also your individual departments. Along with your tailor-made tasks, we can implement powerful automation to further streamline your team's activities and move your jobs through quickly and efficiently. After a new job has come in, one of the next steps is to dispatch your team to the job site. Xcelerate allows project managers or other office team members to view a list of active jobs and schedule technicians daily. By entering additional details such as the type of visit, arrival time, and expected duration, field crews can easily reference their schedule for the day from their mobile device and receive notifications from their office team with any new job assignment or changes. Seeing your entire team's schedule is critical in ensuring smooth operation and that your customers are taken care of. With our enhanced calendar view, you can see your entire team's schedule at a glance. Not only can you visually see your job schedule by the day, week, month, and year, you can also keep track of paid time off and any of your important appointments with just a few clicks. Our scheduler not only keeps your team moving the job forward, it takes the guesswork out of seeing where your team is at any given time. After loading any necessary equipment for the day, field crews can easily clock into their first job through their job schedule. Using geofencing technology, Xcelerate will track the technician's travel time separately from their on-site labor hours. Once the job is complete, technicians can simply clock into the next job in their schedule to begin tracking time against the new job. Office admin teams have easy access to comprehensive time reports across all employees and labor costs applied to each job, furthering the accuracy of your profitability statements. After your team has arrived on site, it's time to start inspecting the job site and obtaining the necessary documents. Gone are the days of fumbling for the correct form or paper signatures. Xcelerate makes it easy to have all forms at your fingertips. It even fills out pertinent customer information based on what was entered into the master job record. This standardizes the process and saves time for your field teams. It also increases accuracy and can even push the job status forward through your customized tasks. Once we're ready to start the work, let's take some quick photos. Xcelerate makes it easy to take and upload photos right on the mobile app. Before we leave for the day, let's make sure to leave comprehensive notes on the file. Xcelerate makes it easy to type, or even better, speak your notes using voice to text, saving time while capturing integral information. Xcelerate also makes it easy for your team to connect with other industry systems through direct integrations with Matterport, DocuSketch, QuickBooks, Encircle, and more. Our focus on integrating your systems allows Xcelerate to be a centralized data hub which eliminates data entry, provides your team direct access to all job information and documentation within one system. Our automation network connects with over 3,000 additional software platforms, which makes the customizations through integrations and data sharing nearly limitless. As your restoration job progresses, your team is prepared for all documentation requirements during subsequent visits. Whether your job is completed within 1 or 2 visits or spread across several months, Xcelerate can help keep your team's daily documentation organized and efficient through the entire process. Using our customized form builder, your team can not only obtain proper authorizations, you can also build daily checklists and maintain notes. Xcelerate helps you compile all of the necessary documentation and makes it easy to share via email or downloadable PDFs. This ensures trouble-free claims and easy approvals. Your technicians shouldn't have all the fun. Your estimators will love having all of the documentation from the field teams all in one place. Adding their job estimate to Xcelerate is easy and provides easy access reference for your entire team. Once uploaded, the estimate value will be displayed in the financials and job reporting. Speaking of financials, our seamless QuickBooks integrations allows financial entries populated in QuickBooks to seamlessly flow to the appropriate job file within Xcelerate. Not only are you building that accurate financial picture, this eliminates double entry and human errors. This is also true for your job expenses entered in QuickBooks. Your vendor costs coupled with your labor cost entries provide a complete, visual job costing picture against your job record. Invoices and payments entered in QuickBooks will display in the invoice and payment section of the job financials, helping you to see the outstanding balances due before making the job paid in full. By pulling together all of your job costs within a single financial module, Xcelerate helps you better address any job costing concerns early. With all of your financials being automatically synced with Xcelerate, you have a clear picture of your gross margins and profitability at all times. This helps to catch inaccuracies and waste early and improves your job margins with Xcelerate financials. After collecting your final payment on the job, you can close out your job record and leave any notes about its completion. Your job record and full documentation are stored for easy access and review should you need to gather details of the job at a later date. Xcelerate can also provide easier handoffs between departments to avoid dropping the ball. By creating automated team communications at different stages of a job cycle, the next relevant department or team can pick right up where the previous team left off. This is all without double entry or losing insight into what happened previously. From contents to mitigation to reconstruction to final invoicing, your team can be interconnected and informed when it's their turn to take the next step on any job. Up to this point, we've been looking at the lifecycle of a single job file accessed within the job file list view. Let's zoom out and see how all of our jobs look. The master jobs view gives us a look at all of the jobs within the system, as well as the hierarchy of the files that fall under that master job. Depending on the services you're providing on a job, you will have one, or in many cases, more than one job file associated with the master job record. In a residential job, this could be a number of different services such as a water extraction, contents and mold, or in a commercial job, you may have a single master job record with multiple water files, each referencing a different unit on a property. By opening the summary of a master job record, we can see high-level details of all job files that fall within this record. This also includes job statuses, employees assigned to the files, final invoice date, and estimate values. Additionally, we can access a compiled view of all photos across job files within a master job record. We can also reference a list of all job notes compiled from every job file in a single list. The most recent on the top, saving us time from reviewing notes in individual job files and timelining the information in our head. When you are interested in company-wide reports, Xcelerate Software brings all of your data together within the Reports view. Xcelerate makes it simple to review your business analytics across performance, KPIs, financial, referral marketing, and other metrics through our custom report builder. You have the ability to compile from an impressive list of data points, group your data, display summed values across groups, and more. It's the information you want to see, however you want to see it. Once built, you can save your favorites and access them quickly and efficiently for years to come. For more advanced reporting visuals, Xcelerate can also tie into business intelligence, or BI, reporting systems such as Microsoft BI, bringing all of your reporting data into a single dashboard with charts, graphs, and other visual depictions of your data. From single job performance to job analytics across your entire organization, Xcelerate provides deeper insights into your data, making it easier than ever to make critical business decisions using trusted information. Managing relationships is key for effective marketing and sales strategies. Xcelerate not only manages your jobs quickly and efficiently, it brings your relationship management all under one platform. The Xcelerate CRM allows your marketing and sales teams to build their portfolio of contacts, keep information up to date, even track activities such as phone calls, meetings, and lunch appointments. The system will even let you manage follow-ups and track any financial spend for those activities. This, combined with tracking your referrals as you're entering your master jobs, gives you a complete picture as to who your top referral contacts are and how much you're nurturing those contacts through activities. Xcelerate summarizes total activities, total number of referrals, and days since last activity for each contact, allowing your marketing rep to see high-level performance metrics and calculate their return on investment. From the job files view, your sales and marketing team members can easily see which jobs they are assigned to and track the job progress. Alternatively, they can also build out their own custom reports based on referral data across all jobs, allowing for deeper insight into performance analytics. From the office or from the field, Xcelerate helps your team see the bigger picture of their marketing efforts, plan accordingly, and measure results. Not only can you do everything shown here, we have automation for over 3,000 software platforms. We can help put your business on autopilot so you can focus on growth and taking care of your customers. From custom communications via text message, email templates, team chat discussions, job creation, or data transfer to other third-party systems, and so much more. Xcelerate is leading the industry in automation restoration processes across thousands of other software platforms. It's no small feat, but Xcelerate helps make it simple. From the time a job is referred to your company to the point that you collect final payment and mark it as paid in full, Xcelerate helps your team drive deeper organizational insights, be more efficient at every stage of the job, automate communications for increased efficiency, and so much more. If you're looking for modern job management solutions that will restore your power to succeed, we want to help. Visit us at xcelerationsoftware.com and request a personalized demo to see how your unique restoration business can get started today.